Hello mga kamiranda, pag-usapan natin today ang isang pinakabagong token na sumisikat ngayon dahil sa napakarami nitong airdrops, ang Arbitrum or ARB. This video is everything you need to know about the ARB token. Ang Arbitrum ay isang popular na Ethereum Layer 2 protocol na balak mag-issue ng native token nito to eligible community members at nag-schedule sila ng airdrop noong March 23, 2023. With the launch of ARB token, Arbitrum will officially transition into a decentralized autonomous organization or DAO. Ito yung breakdown ng lahat ng kailangan mong malaman sa Arbitrum and yung airdrop na nangyari for the past couple of days. By the way, kung hindi ka nakasali, don't worry, but make sure that you have trust wallets or MetaMasks so in the future, you can participate on those airdrops. Ano nga ba si Arbitrum? Si Arbitrum ay isang Layer 2 blockchain scaling solution na ginawa sa taas o tuktok ng Ethereum blockchain, meaning ito ay Layer 2. Off-chain Labs created it in August 2021 with the aim of speeding up transactions while lowering the on-chain transactions costs and promoting scalability. Kumbaga yung Ethereum trilemma, yung security, interoperability, and scalability. Simply put, Arbitrum seeks to expand the Ethereum smart contract capability by improving yung kanyang ability to scale at bilis while still offering auxiliary privacy features. Pero how does exactly Arbitrum reduce the high transactional gas fees? Unang-una, by incorporating optimistic rollups. Ang mga optimistic rollups ay smart contract scaling solution that involves compiling multiple off-chain transactions in a process known as rolling up. Once all the transactions have been rolled up, they're actually presented as a single transaction to the Ethereum blockchain. This helps to reduce the gas prices while retaining the secure transactions and relieving network latency. Rolling up makes Arbitrum faster and cheaper to use, with all the transaction data being relayed back to the Ethereum blockchain. Yung Layer 2 protocol can process 40,000 transactions per second, while Ethereum can only manage roughly around 14 transactions per second. Ang mga transactions sa Ethereum can cost several dollars to complete, pero on the same cost, it can only approximately cost you 2 cents on the Arbitrum blockchain. Additionally, Arbitrum supports the Ethereum virtual machine. This means that the Ethereum decentralized finance or DeFi can easily link their DeFi applications or dApps with Arbitrum without making any changes in their applications. Since the inception, Arbitrum has been operating without a token. However, this will soon change as Arbitrum will airdrop its new and long-awaited native token ARB on March 23, 2023 or ilang araw na nakalipas. Nga pala ka Miranda, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe so you're updated for everything about cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamentals, and these types of new knowledge for you in crypto. Maraming salamat. The ARB token will be governance token that will permit its holders to vote on decisions associated with the protocol through its chain's DAO. Ibig sabihin, gagamitin nila yung dami ng ARB token nila that can represent their voting power on the decentralized autonomous organization. Ano nga ba ang Arbitrum airdrop at bakit ito importante? Ang cryptocurrency airdrop, Miranda, is where crypto projects send tokens or coins to the eligible crypto wallet addresses. Typically, ang crypto project will select eligible wallets of the blockchain's active community members and send them a specific amount of the new digital currency. So, kahulugan, kung wala kang activity in their particular community, then you might not have any airdrops at this point. Usually, ito ay for free or in exchange for carrying out the tasks like retweeting, following a company profile in Twitter, etc., etc., etc. Additionally, the Arbitrum airdrop is also important because it will mark the blockchain's official transition into a DAO and presents ARB token holders with an opportunity to vote for any changes in the protocol. The ARB will have a total circulating supply of 10 billion tokens. The Arbitrum community will have a control of 56% of the 10 billion tokens, while 11.5% nito will be airdropped to eligible Arbitrum users. In addition, 1.1% nito will be allocated to the DAO's management of the Arbitrum ecosystem. The rest of the tokens will go to a treasury that the Arbitrum DAO will manage. Further, yung 44% of ARB circulation will go to the employees and investors of off-chain labs who first developed Arbitrum. However, all employees and investor tokens will be subject to vesting schedules and lockup period. Mahalaga ito, Miranda, para hindi biglang mag-dump ang presyo ng isang coin, therefore kailangan i-lock up sila on a certain vesting schedule, maybe 12 months or 2 years. Most early investors of Arbitrum have been allotted 625 ARB tokens, which correlates to the rough total airdrop value of $400 and $1,250. Arbitrum's highest allocation per address is 10,250 ARB tokens, and it is actually anticipated that 4,400 crypto wallets will be eligible to the ARB token. So, paano mo ba check kung ikaw ay qualified? So, follow mo itong instructions ito ka Miranda. Unang-una, you can actually check if you're actually eligible by going to their website, https://arbitrum.foundation, the official website of the Arbitrum Foundation, and connecting your crypto wallet such as Trust Wallet, MetaMask to receive ARB token. Of course, Trust Wallet and MetaMask are actually hot wallets because they're actually connected online. Arbitrum Foundation and Off-Chain Labs worked with Nansen, a crypto analytics firm, over a couple of months Miranda to develop an eligibility criteria for ARB token airdrop. Some factors na consider nila are included on, for example, how long a user had been using Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nitro, how many transactions they did, and the various applications they utilized. They then built a point system hinged on the different metrics of Arbitrum usage. So, how can you check if you're eligible for the Arbitrum airdrop? Let's go dive in. For Trust Wallet Miranda, unang-una, make sure that your Trust Wallet is installed. Get the latest version here, trustwallet.com/download. For you to be able to connect your Trust Wallet or even your MetaMask, visit the Arbitrum Foundation's official website, go to www.arbitrum.foundation and click on the Connect Wallet option. Step 2, choose your crypto wallet, either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. For the purposes of our video for today, we're going to use Trust Wallet. Step 3, connect the Via Wallet Connect. Go to your Trust Wallet, click on Settings, then Wallet Connect, and scan the QR code. You will automatically be asked to confirm the connection on your Trust Wallet app to check your airdrop availability. Step 4, once you are successfully connected, go back to your Arbitrum Foundation website and click on Check Eligibility to confirm if you are eligible for an ARB airdrop. Ganun lang kadali Miranda, and I hope that you were able to learn a lot about Arbitrum on this video and of course checking your eligibility. If you did like this video, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel so you are updated for everything about crypto, technical analysis, fundamentals, and everything in one channel. Maraming salamat Miranda, and I love you 3,000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Ka Miranda.